Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my boiled okra video. This is a special request, okay? Summer is here, okra is ready. Mine is not quite ready in my garden, so I bought some from Grey Rock Farms, okay? And it is delicious, y'all. I cooked it all the way down. There is no sliminess, just delicious, very, very flavorful boiled okra, all right? No slime here. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna show you how to make it. All right, y'all. This is the fresh okra that I got from Grey Rock Farm yesterday. It's really soft, okay? You pour it on the counter. I bought just a pound, okay? I forgot how much it was, all right? I might be able to look on their website to see. But what I like to do is start off by using, I'm gonna put it all in this pan. That's how I usually know what size pan I'm going to use, okay? Because you don't want it all on top of each other. When I'm cooking my boiled okra, I want it to fit into the pan without too much, okay? Because you don't want the bottom to be mushy and the top to be raw, okay? So let me go ahead and get these washed up, and I'm going to show you how I clean them and how I cut the caps off. Okay? Now, I'm just going to rinse the okra off, okay? And all of it looks really nice and soft, so that's a good thing, okay? You want to get the okra small and soft, so I'm just going to wash them off and rinse them off because there's no dirt on them. They're really good and clean. And when I make my boiled okra, I eat the tip. I never cut the tip off, and I cut just the cap off. So I go right about there, and I'm just going to cut that cap off that looks like that. Maybe a little more the next one. So the next one, that's good and soft too. Come right there where you see that line at. Just cut that off a little bit lower than that line. Okay, and it's gonna look like that. Do another one closer up so you'll see it. Just cut it like that, okay? Because that's soft and tender. You never want to cut it like this. Well, wait a minute. Let me cut one wrong so you can see it. Okay, you don't want to cut like that because that slime is going to come out of there. Okay, you want to keep it intact. You want to keep that pot intact so the slime, so when you're done, your boiled okra will not be slimy. Okay, so let me go ahead and get this cut up, and I'll be right back when I get ready to put it on the stove. Now, every piece of this okra was good. Okay, I didn't have to throw anything away. All of it was really good and soft. Now, what I'm going to do, put that to the side. Show you how much water we're going to put in here. We're going to fill it up just to the okra, just to slightly cover the okra. And that's it. That's all the water we're going to put in there, okay? Because we don't want mush. Okay, y'all. I'm going to put my house seasoning blend on here. Normally, I would put just salt and pepper, and that's it. But this is the house seasoning blend that I'm going to season it with. And that's probably about a tablespoon for all that okra. Then you can use whichever oil you want. I'm going to use olive oil today. You can put a couple of tablespoons of butter. That's it right there. We're eating healthier, and that's all I'm going to put on that. Then I'm going to put this on a medium heat, until it gets to a good boil. Well, let's let it, my burner is going to be on 8 until it comes to a boil. And then, well, that's the wrong one. And then I'll turn it down as it cooks. Okay, because you're not going to use the top on this okra the whole time it's boiling. You're going to take it off at a certain point so that it can boil down and all the juices will be out of it and it's boiled down to the grease. Let's go outside and see what my okra looks like. Now, I got this from Grey Rock Farms, as I said. Mine isn't good yet, but it's growing. Okay, look at that. This is just 6 okra seeds right here. 6, okay? And look how good and healthy they are. I don't have any flowers yet, but I have so many leaves. Oh my goodness, y'all. I want to cook some of this Swiss chard too soon. Look up under there. Look how thick those stalks are. That one right there, I might well pull that little baby up because it ain't gonna do nothing, okay? So I think I'm gonna pull that up. It ain't gonna do nothing at all. But the rest of them look really good. I don't have any flowers coming yet, but look at all those flowers right there. So it's gonna be really nice. It's gonna be nice. And over here in my in ground, I have this right here, okra over here that's growing. I probably planted a little too much, too close together, but that's only 2 rows. But this right here, it looks a little they're just miniature, but they'll catch up. Maybe they won't. I'm not gonna cry about it because I have so much over here. Okay, that's really nice and good. I need to go in there and pick out some of that grass. That's what I need to do. Look at there. That's my first piece of okra. So yeah, I'm gonna be able to make me some okra water this year. That's another piece. Okay, so it's coming along pretty good. Just hadn't got big enough yet. All right, let's go back in the house. Look at these right here though. That's just 6 okra plants right here now. Look at that. I like to give a little bit of detail in my videos, show you where I'm getting this food from. And this is coming straight from the garden. Straight from the garden. All right, so this is how good this pot is rolling. These, yeah. So, you see that? Let me get back a little bit so some of that steam can get out the way. That's rolling really good, really good. So we're gonna let that top stay on there for a few more minutes, and then we're gonna take it off when some of that water is boiled out. All right, at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and take the top off of it because our okra is fork tender. And what we want it to do is boil all the way down. Let all the liquid come off of it. So we're gonna leave that top off at this point. And we have it on almost 8 right there. It's almost 8, my burner. And we're gonna leave it like that. It's boiling on down, y'all. Don't touch it, don't stir it, just let it boil. Let it sit there and boil down. This is perfect. This is how you want it to look. It's boiled all the way down. All the juice is out. That okra is tender, fork tender, so you know it's done. Okay, so you're gonna see some very little juice at the bottom. Okay, very little juice at the bottom. Let's let it go a couple minutes longer. Okay, that's it right there. See, that juice is thick at the bottom. Okay, we're gonna turn it off and we're gonna let it cool for just a few minutes. All right, y'all, my boiled okra is done. I took it off the stove because I got some other things going on over there. But this is what it looks like, okay? I'm gonna taste me a pod. That's good. Let me get a big piece out and show you what it looks like on the inside. That's where the slime is, okay? The slime is not all in the pan, but if you love boiled okra, you'll love that. It is just delicious.